There is a quiet crisis happening right now in the world of photography, and it has nothing to do with megapixels, autofocus speeds, or artificial intelligence. It has everything to do with the soul. We live in an era where everyone carries a highly advanced, computationally perfect camera inside their pocket. Every single day, billions of images are captured, processed by aggressive algorithms, scrubbed of any organic imperfection, and blasted onto digital feeds where they disappear into the void within seconds. The act of taking a picture has become cheap, frictionless, and completely automated. For a long time, purists, enthusiasts, and professional storytellers have felt a deep, aching nostalgia for a time when photography actually required you to feel something. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They missed the deliberate mechanical click of a shutter, the tactile resistance of a physical dial, and the beautiful, unpredictable poetry of film grain. For years, one specific legendary camera line stood as the ultimate counterculture rebellion against the sterile digital age, the FUJIFILM X-Pro series. It was a camera designed not for the masses, but for the purest street photographer, the rogue documentarian, and the visual poet who wanted to look at the world through a glass viewfinder rather than a digital screen. When Fujifilm abruptly left this lineup in limbo for years, rumors swirled, despair set in, and the photographic community began to wonder if the pure, tactile romance of photography was officially dead. But now, everything has changed. The curtain has finally been pulled back, and the photography world is fracturing over a single, deeply polarizing piece of engineering, the FUJIFILM X-Pro 4. This is not just another camera release. This is a psychological and cultural battleground. It forces us to ask a brutal question about why we create, how we see, and whether we are willing to let go of tech industry safety nets in order to catch lightning in a bottle. To truly understand why the arrival of the X-Pro 4 has sent shockwaves through the global creative community, you have to understand the sheer madness and brilliance of its design heritage. When Fujifilm launched the original X-Pro over a decade ago, it was a massive gamble. The entire industry was rushing toward a homogenized future of mirrorless cameras that looked like miniature, featureless plastic computers. Fujifilm went completely in the opposite direction. They looked back at the golden age of rangefinder film cameras, the legendary tools used by master street photographers to capture the defining historical moments of the 20th century, and decided to resurrect that exact physical philosophy for the modern era. The X-Pro series became a cult icon because it intentionally slowed you down. It demanded that you understand light, shadow, and manual control. But its true stroke of genius was the hybrid viewfinder. While every other camera company forced you to look at a tiny electronic screen inside the eyepiece, displaying a digital interpretation of your scene, Fujifilm developed a complex, optical mechanical mechanism. With the flip of a physical lever on the front of the camera, you could switch between a pure, crystal-clear optical window that let you see the real, uncompressed world with your own naked eyes, and a cutting-edge electronic display for pinpoint digital accuracy. It was a bridge between two completely different eras of human creativity. But as the years went on, a strange corporate drama unfolded. Fujifilm found massive commercial success with its more conventional, mass-market camera bodies. They built high-speed video hybrids and compact lifestyle cameras that flew off the shelves. The X-Pro series, with its uncompromising, quirky, and highly specific design philosophy, was left in the shadows.